Welcome to AI Surge. Today, we will dive into a realm where algorithms meet emotions and pixels weave stories. Yes, we're talking about the impact of AI on the Bollywood film industry. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Now that we've set the stage, let's dig right into the heart of the matter and explore the fascinating rom-com of When AI Met Bollywood. Who doesn't enjoy those mind-blowing special effects? In the world of AI, advances are being made to not only enhance effects, but also to create digital actors and sets that are incredibly realistic. Tools like Maya's USD and the Universal Scene Description are revolutionizing animation workflows, potentially saving both time and budget in the process. However, the focus extends beyond the visuals. AI is revolutionizing the way stories are being told in Bollywood. Picture a digital co-writer by your side. Machine learning algorithms can analyze scripts that have achieved success, breaking down the popular themes and structures that make them appealing. This resource can be valuable for scriptwriters, offering insights and inspiration for creating engaging stories and crafting captivating scenes. Script development is being revolutionized by the perfect blend of creativity and algorithms. Next up is the distribution and marketing. AI not only works behind the scenes, but also plays a vital role in shaping the way films are presented to the audience. Imagine a movie recommendation list made just for you. It's a unique experience that feels truly special. AI algorithms analyze audience preferences, optimizing marketing campaigns, and ensuring that films reach a broader spectrum of viewers. Creating films goes beyond the production process. It's about ensuring they call to their intended viewers. As we bask in the exciting possibilities of AI in Bollywood, it's crucial to highlight the challenges and concerns that accompany this technological revolution. Let's look at the complex issues that the industry is dealing with. 1. Let's start with job displacement. With the rise of AI-generated actors and automated processes, there is a growing concern about the potential impact on various job roles, including technicians, stunt performers, and even actors in certain roles. This topic not only stirs up ethical discussions, but also raises concerns about the job security of the people who bring our beloved films to life. 2. Then there is an issue of deepfakes and misinformation. The potential harm caused by deepfake technology, such as creating fabricated videos or manipulating storylines, is a valid concern. It is important to establish solid regulations and ethical frameworks to protect the integrity of the industry and prevent negative publicity. 3. Other topics are over-reliance and creative limitations. AI is a potent tool, but relying too heavily on it for storytelling may result in content that feels repetitive or lacks originality. Creating films that deeply connect with audiences requires the perfect blend of human touch and artistic vision. A talented Bollywood star, Alia Bhatt, shared her thoughts on the critical topic of AI in the Indian film industry. She recently discussed her thoughts on the potential impact, and it's an interesting perspective to consider. Alia expressed her concerns regarding the potential risks of AI in the Indian film industry. It's possible that this concern arises from recent AI hoaxes, including one that she was involved in. Her stance is quite intriguing, with its subtle tones. She recognizes that AI has its advantages and disadvantages. There are both positive and negative aspects to consider. On the one hand, it presents new possibilities, but on the other hand, it can negatively impact certain professions. Finding a balance that captures the intricacies of AI's role in the industry is important. Recent developments and discussions. However, in the midst of such difficulties, Bollywood has witnessed some revolutionary developments. In the Tamil film Weapon, we saw the remarkable power of AI in seamlessly recreating a realistic younger version of actor Sathya Raj. Here, we have a demonstration of how AI can bring young characters to life, offering exciting possibilities for storytelling. Remember Shah Rukh Khan's latest deepfake ad campaign for Cadbury? Using AI to personalize ads featuring Khan's image raises thought-provoking questions regarding consent, the ethical implications of AI in celebrity endorsements, and the future of advertising in the film industry. Although not as dramatic as Hollywood blockbusters, there is still an increasing discussion surrounding the ethical implications of AI and its effects on employment. The industry finds itself at a critical juncture, carefully treading the line between advancement and accountability. And there you have it, a cinematic exploration into the profound impact of AI on the heart of Bollywood. We've witnessed the magic of AI in creating digital actors, analyzed the potential pitfalls of over-reliance, and delved into the thought-provoking perspectives of industry icons like Alia Bhatt. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic odyssey. If you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more captivating content from the juncture of technology and entertainment. For more latest AI news and AI updates, visit our website, aizurge.net. This is AI Surge signing off.